Hello buddies, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Here I am Pragyado and today we are going to discuss very important tips to be better in English from a beginner. And the tips which I am going to share with you all are all from my self experience. So if you are also willing to be better or to upgrade yourself in English, then be with me till the end of this video. Okay, let's get start today's video. So my first tip is focus on your basic English grammar. Now you all must be wondering that is it important to know the English grammar? Then yes, it is important. I know many people say that there is no need to know English grammar for spoken part or to be fluent in English, but I'm telling you my self experience that yes, it is important. See, I'm not saying that you have to mug up all the English grammar rules, but yes, there are very important topics which you should know, like tenses, modals, clauses, moods, and many more. See what happens whenever you will try to talk with someone in English, you will do a lots of mistakes. Then doing mistake is not a bad thing, but because lack of knowledge of grammar, you will not be able to deliver your thoughts clearly. Instead of feeling pride in your attempt to speak, which is what you should always feel, you begin to feel ashamed of your grammatical mistakes. So that's why it is very important to know the basic English grammar to be fluent, to be more confident. Now the second tip is try to frame sentences. Mostly what happens when a person suddenly start talking in English with you, at that time you get stuck in replying, and then what you do, you start replying in yes, no, and then keep going with Hindi. ऐसा ही होता है ना. I know this happens because मेरे साथ भी हुआ है, and I know at that moment you want to speak, you know what to speak, but you don't know exactly how to frame it in English. And this problem will get solved only by having the habit of framing sentences. Yes, make sure this habit should be followed in your day-to-day life regularly. Start framing sentences in English in your mind. Even when you are talking with someone in Hindi, at least try to frame your replies at that conversation. Okay? And trust me, this habit is going to help you a lot. Okay. Tip number 3 is use your observing power. So when we start learning English, what we do? We all start watching English videos, listening English songs, and then reading English articles, newspaper and all. But we follow them on a certain level. Like after some time we get bored from all those things. Maybe the reason is because we don't know the right way to learn from them. Here what should you do? You should always try to observe while watching videos, listening songs and reading articles. You should always observe, like the way they are speaking, their expressions, their speaking style, their vocabulary. So all these important things you should always observe, and when you will observe it, you will grab it very fast. So always use your observing power. Now the tip number 4 is find a speaking partner, because practice makes a man perfect. Now here comes a very big problem, which is like we don't have any practice partner. It's difficult to find one, right? I know. So here is the solution. Let's first start practice with yourself. Go in the front of mirror and just start talking with yourself. From this you will get the inner self-confidence while delivering your thoughts to other. You will be more clear in your thinking process. After that, I'll suggest you that yes, you can find a speaking partner, and listen, you can find them very easily. And finding partner in social media, it works. Go in English learning pages, drop their messages in the comment section that you want an English speaking partner, and I know there are lots of many people like you who want to practice their English with you. So now the problem is solved. One is learn from your common mistakes. So if you are a beginner and you are also doing lots of mistakes while speaking, then it's good for you. Don't focus on the situations and the persons who are mocking you. Just focus on your mistakes and try to improve them, try to correct them. Okay, while speaking, when you make mistakes, notice them and then rectify it immediately. Improve yourself in learning each day. And very importantly, on this process you have to be regular. The more you will improve, the more you will learn, the more you will be confident, and the more you will be fluent. So don't break this chain and win your battle with the English. For today, that's it. I hope you all like my tips. Till my next video, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive. Bye bye.